what is happening here today.
Right, so we are on the Lowana main road here in St. Elizabeth, where we came expecting to probably move 2 or 3 loads of garbage from an illegal dump. Lo and behold, as we walk inland about 120 meters from the main road, we discover that we have garbage dumped all over the place. Looking at some of the heaps, could be for several months if not years. We are going to be clearing this area. But when we clear this area, we want it to remain clear. Now, I can't put an enforcement officer to live here. I can appeal to the people around here, people who drive by. If you see anything, take a quick picture, a short video or something, send it in to us at the NSW. We can appeal to the political representatives, use their network to help the police the area. These operations are not pedestrian operations. These are carried out by vehicle, motor vehicles, trucks, pickups. They may choose to come at night, they may choose to come whatever time of day they find convenient. But we want to catch even one and make a statement of that one. Because too much of these things is cropping up all over the parish of St. Elizabeth, but also all over Jamaica. We've been encountering this kind of behavior. And as I said, very costly and time consuming, and it's damaging to the environment also. The amount of plastic bottles that we are seeing here, some of them with drinks that are expired. So you can clearly see that it's either some wholesaler or supermarket. We were searching through. We hope that we find even one receipt or one piece of documentary evidence that can lead us back to that commercial entity. Failing that, we have to appeal to people who, if you see anything, just let us know. We cannot continue like this. I'm here today with a team from the NSWA. My Director of Operations is here, my Regional Operations Manager for SPM is here, the Mayor for Black River is here. We have the Public Cleansing Manager, we have Zonal Monitor, and we are out here as family of the NSWA, and more importantly, as part of the Jamaican family who want a clean Jamaica. We want people to join us in that crusade to help to clean up Jamaica. But how can we achieve a clean Jamaica when we are out here encountering bone skeleton from animals? We are encountering all sorts of construction material, old toilet bowl, old fridge, old expired juices. I mean, how can we do this?
Were you surprised when you come?
2 or 3 loads. Because we were just looking at what we see on the front when we pass by. We didn't know that when you come inland, you would have encountered this. But one thing I'll tell you, make no mistake about it. We're going to watch this space. We're going to watch this particular space. We're going to clear it totally. And we're going to watch it. The mayor is on board with it. We have a commitment from one of the residents. We're going to watch it. And we will catch somebody. And they will pay dearly for what they are doing here. It's wrong.
So about estimate the load that you expect to get from here?
What we see, based on what we see thus far, we'll be surprised if we don't end up with about 20-25 loads from this spot.
And you have been doing cleanup in these areas for some time, so this is a reoccurring.
In part, it's a reoccurring. But what happens when we come to clean, we would have cleaned what we see on the front. Today, we decided to do a little trek inland, and this is what we encounter. You know?
Thank you.
And so, I just want to also make an appeal to people who have animals. This morning on the Clarendon by main road, we saw a huge cow. Now, I know that cow had an owner. The cow died on the roadway and was left there to swell and then burst and then create all sort of bad stench and for the traveling public and the pedestrian public. That's unacceptable. If you have an animal and for whatever reason the animal is killed or died, contact us. We'll make the necessary arrangement to move it from the main. If it's on your property and so on, dispose of it in a responsible way. Don't just leave it. Because we also have a duty to protect Jamaica's beauty, to protect the environment. And we can't be just concerned about it when things are going well. But when things are not going well, we have a duty also to make sure that we treat the environment with some respect. Just make arrangement and carry things to the disposal site. Be $1,000. No.
Alright, what you are seeing here today is that we are doing some removal of bulky waste at Luana. So far we have removed one load of bulky waste from Luana. We have seen where commercial entities, they have dumped their garbage here and also household waste. So after we have finished Luana, we are moving to Speculation, and from there we are going over to Crane.
Alright, your region consists of 3 parishes.
3 parishes,
Is this,
Manchester, Clarendon and St. Elizabeth.
Is this occurring all over 3 parishes?
Yeah, this is occurring right across the region. Just last week, the enforcement team caught some truckmen tipping some household waste on the Winston Zone's main road. So we plan to step up our public education campaign, where we are now drafting a proposal to put up some signs and some sort of neighborhood watch and put up the WhatsApp number, etc., just to get the community involved in some of the illegal dumping that is taking place.
Have you ever successfully prosecuted anybody so far?
Yes, we have successfully done that. We have a strong enforcement team, but nevertheless we still need more members on board. So we are using whatever limited resources we have to capitalize so that residents stop dumping as soon as possible.
Alright, so this cleanup that is going on, how long will it take?
Well, this cleanup is expected to last, for today, it's expected to last throughout tonight. And then tomorrow, the zonal monitor will be back out with the equipments to see how best we can finish what we started today. But just to say though that it is not a one-off thing. We are now on a drive to sort of remove all the illegal dumps based on some of the diseases that is going around currently, and mosquito-borne diseases such as the dengue, etc. So we are moving tires and stuff like this. Name, address, everything.
Maybe overseas. Change their freight. We have identified another one also, and it's Kadisha Bailey, and that person is from Cambridge District, 5 Pen Post Office.
Hold it up and let him.
And also, yeah, so these persons we have in fact identified, and we have also identified a spotter for the area, and all of that will be put into place shortly.
So what would be the process in terms of these persons?
These will be sent to what we call the enforcement team from SPM, and they'll take it from there.
So we find names all the while, and what we do is investigate. Because it doesn't mean one swallow does not really make a summer. So a name could be here because somebody legitimately just gave a contract someone, and then it go off somewhere there, somebody violate the whole process.
Yeah.
A name could also be here just by mere coincidence. You throw something in a rubbish bag at a supermarket. The supermarket owner
finds his way.
right? So what happened is we always, whenever we encounter names, addresses and so on these operations, we always investigate them. We always do a thorough investigation of them. And invariably, they lead to something. Invariably. But we will have to do the investigation.
Yeah.